Hello and welcome back to another tutorial of Tableau from PracticalIT. In this video I will teach you how we can create a beautiful lollipop chart like this. If I take you to a presentation mode, or you also can press F7 from your keyboard, you will get this very beautiful and dynamic chart. If I see, I have a filter this data on region basis. If I select east region, this will filter out east region chart, and if I select west, and so on. So we will learn how we can create this beautiful lollipop chart in Tableau. So what is basically a lollipop chart? Lollipop chart is basically, if you are seeing this bar, this is a bar and this is a circle. This is a combination of bar and the circle, right? So we can say the lollipop chart is a composite chart with bars and circles. It means combinations of bars and circle. It is a variant of the bar chart with a circle at the end, right? We have a circle at the end which is displaying our sales data, which is representing a sales data. If I hover my mouse over this circle, you will see there is a tooltip which is saying telling me state, profit and sales. So like a bar chart, a lollipop chart is used to compare categorical data, right? So I will insert a new worksheet and we will create a similar kind of bar chart, and I will teach you step by step, right? So what I will do, first let me take a state dimension to column shelf, right? States are many, so I would filter it out by region. So I will pick a region dimension and bring it to filter, and I will select all, then I will say apply, then OK. If I click on this drop down pill of region, I will select show filter. It will appear here. So what I will do, I will change its appearance by clicking on this drop down icon, and I will make it single value list. The moment I click, likewise if I click on central, it will filter out the central data, right? So what I will do, I will bring the sales measure to my row shelf. The moment I bring sales measure to my row shelf, you will see we have got one axis for the sales figure, and we have got this state name right here. So what I will do, I will drag similar kind of field. You can say I will drag sales field to right next to it. So either you can drag it from here this way, or what you can do, you press Ctrl from your keyboard and press left key from your mouse and drag it to the right. So this will create a dual chart, one above the other. So what is this? Is the primary axis for this, and this is for the secondary axis that I have just now drag it, right? So what I will do, since I am getting two axes, so here if you see, this is circle. If you see this circle over the bar, so what I will do, this is our bar and this will be turned into a circle, right? I will change this second measure of sum of sales into a circle. So first let me make it a dual axis. How we can make it a dual axis? Just right click on it, you can make a dual axis from here, or you can click on it and you can make a dual axis over by selecting this, right? The moment you click dual axis, what it will do, it will change the chart type to a circle, right? If I come over this marks, if I select this marks will get activated. If I select this marks will get activated. So this is my second axis that I have created. So I will keep it a circle, or you can keep it automatic, that already that it has picked circle. Just select this first measure, come this drop down, select it to bar. So what you will see, you will get a circle top of the bar, but if you see here, the circle is much higher than this circle. Somewhere circle is more visible and somewhere circle is less visible. This happened just because our axes are not in synchronized, so we have to synchronize our axis. So how we can synchronize? Right click on axis, on the second sales axis, right click on it, just make it synchronized axis. The moment you make it on synchronized axis, both the axes will be synchronized and the data will and the chart will be in a synchronized way, right? So what I will do now, if you see the width of the bar, so what I will do, I will reduce the width of the bar. Just select this, you will get over here, you will get this marks card will be activated for this sales measure. Just click on the size and make it small, right? If you make it small, you will get a lollipop like chart, right? So now turn for the circle. If I select this circle, now I have to increase the size of the circle. The moment I increase the size of the circle, it turned into a lollipop like chart, right? If you select any of the region, it will filter out the data region wise, it will filter out the state region wise, right? Let me make it entire view. Now the rest part is left without formatting. We will format this chart into a same or in a different manner, right? So what I will do, I will basically first of all I will hide this axis. What I can do, I right click on this axis, or you can click on this pill drop down and uncheck it, show header. It will remove the axis from here, right? So now what I will do, I will change the color of the bar and the circle. So how would I change the color of the bar and circle? Let me increase a little bit. Make this circle like this. So you have this, right? Let me pick south first, and let me this is my circle, so I will first let me select this circle. This marks card would be activated. I want this marks card to be a circle to be like this, and for this bar you can select this will activate it, or you also can select this will also activate it. So I will make the bar line as light gray, right? And on the circle, on the middle of the circle, what I will do, I will bring labels, sales labels. Just drag your sales measure onto the labels, so the labels would appear below the circle, but we have to align it middle of this circle. How it will do, just click on this drop down pill, just click on this label, come on this alignment, then select this. If you select this, it will take the value into the middle of the circle, right? So what I will do, will make the font a little bit let me do something with font. Let me make font green, or you can take whichever font you want. Make it bold, make it 8, right? And let me reduce the size of circle so that it looks me good, right? And if I hover over my mouse over the bar, you see a tooltip is coming, state and sales. And if I hover over my mouse onto the circle, the same tooltip is appearing, but I want to remove the tooltip from this bar. So how would I remove? Just select our bar, come to the tooltip, select this, press delete key, then OK. Now if I hover over my mouse, now I won't get any tooltip for the bar. The tooltip only I will get for the circle. As soon as I hover my mouse over the circle, I will get this tooltip, right? So what I can do, I can simply, this is my this is for my circle. If you check this icon, this is circle, this is for bar, right? So under circle, what I will do, I will drag tooltip. I will drag some measures into a tooltip. I have sales. Now I will take profit to the tooltip. If I hover over my mouse, you will get sales and profit, right? So if you check the sales, here is 89,000, which is positive, and the profit is in negative. If we check here, it is in negative profit, it's in positive profit, it's in negative and profit, it's a profit and positive profit. So what I will do, I will create a calculation field to make, in case the profit is less than 0, I will make it to appear some other color, and if profit is in positive, I will make it to appear some other color circle, right? So what I will do, I will create a calculation field. I will click on this drop down icon, or simply you can click any of the area, right area, you can click right click. Sorry, you can click here, click on this create calculation field. For your type here profit color, right? I will apply my if function. If sum of profit, I say if sum of profit is less than 0, then it means we need red, or we can say less profit, you can say negative, right? Negative, whatever you can say, else positive. And if you can see the calculation is valid, just click on apply, then okay. I will bring this profit color calculation onto this mask, onto color marks, right? Bring this profit color onto, this is my calculation, I think, yes, this is my calculation, profit color on this color marks. The moment I drag the profit on this color marks, what it will happen, it will change the color of this circle, because the negative profit we have, we are saying it to be appear in different color, and for positive we are telling it to appear in different color, right? So what I will do, I will simply go click over here, I will change the color of this circle, click over here, go to edit color, and I will pick whatever the color I want. Let me pick negative for me this color, and positive for me, let me take it yellow, dark yellow. If I apply, sorry, let me take negative for red, then I apply, then okay, right? Here we have picked a different color, no matter, it depends upon the color whichever you are picking. So for let me change this, what you label font, let me change it to white, make it bold. Yeah, it is already a bold. So the red circle denoting that we have a profit or we have a loss there, so that's why we have denoting it by red color, and the yellow color denotes that we have a positive profit, right? If I hover my mouse over, you are getting a tooltip of profit color. So I want to remove, how can I remove this? Just go to the tooltip of circle marks tooltip, just remove this profit color from here, delete, press OK. Now if I click my hover my mouse over circle, you will get a state Virginia, 18,000 something profit and 70,000 sales. If I click on this east, the data has been filtered in this right away, right? So if I take you to the presentation mode, now this looks me a very beautiful lollipop chart, right? You can do whatever you want, you can apply whichever color you want, right? So this is just for the demo purpose, you can apply whichever color you want. So if you want to remove this grid line, what you can do, just click on this grid line, just right click on it, go to format, If you see here, this called lines. Just click over here, grid lines, make it none for the sheet. If you see here, your grid lines has been disappeared, right? For west, south, east. Let me adjust this. So this is how you can create a very beautiful lollipop chart for your visualization, right? So I hope you have learned something, a new chart for Tableau purpose, for Tableau tutorial, under Tableau tutorial. So I will keep bringing such topics and such charts in Tableau in future. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and I will see you soon in our next tutorial, right? Till then, you stay healthy and stay safe. Bye bye.